Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to provide you with 3 leads to data entry positions. So let's get into it. The first position we're looking at is with a company called Crawford, and they're looking for a temporary data entry clerk. This is a remote position. Let's scroll down to the position summary. Let's see. Temporary seasonal. The role of the temporary data entry clerk is to provide accurate and complete data of entry lists and review and edit and transcribe voice clips from their mobile database. So the pay rate for this role is $11 an hour. That's pretty low, so you probably can use this position as a side hustle if you're unemployed. It may be a position that you can use until you get a position that you like. So let's look at the responsibilities. You're going to complete the data entry of lists, ensuring accuracy and completeness. Complete the review and revisions of mobile app transcribe entries. Ensure ongoing communication with other team members on the progression of the data entry and pricing of contents. Ensure ongoing communication with content claims specialists. Adhere to workflows, document and upload pertinent claim related information. Make any necessary changes as needed. Complete and submit detailed work time logs on a daily basis for claims to proceed. Perform any other related duties that may be assigned from time to time. Requirements: a secondary school diploma. Basically, they're looking for a person with a GED, prior experience in data entry, retail transcription, or customer service jobs. Be able to provide adequate workspace free of noise in your home. They want a reliable high-speed internet connection, USB wired headset, strong technical skills with MS Office products, strong attention to detail, ability to collaborate with team members, outstanding communication skills, ability to communicate effectively, must be organized, exceptional time management skills, self-starter, demonstrated ability to adapt, and willingness to learn and continuously improve. The second position we're looking at is listed with a company called JDP, and they are recruiting for Clara. Clara is looking for a data entry specialist, and this is a remote position. Now, Clara is looking for a data entry specialist to help support our client base in background screenings. So they do background checks. This position is fully remote. They're looking for a data entry clerk to type information into their database from paper documents. The ideal candidate will be computer savvy and a fast typist with a keen eye for detail. You will report to a data manager and another senior data team member. Understanding of data confidentiality principles is key. Now, the responsibilities: transfer data from paper formats into computer files, type in data and provide it directly to customers, verify data by comparing it to source documents, update existing data, retrieve data from the database or electronic files as required, perform regular backups to ensure data preservation, sort and organize paperwork after entering data to ensure it's not lost. Requirements and skills: proven experience as a data entry clerk, fast typing, excellent knowledge of word processing tools such as MS products, MS Office products, basic understanding of databases, good command of English, both oral and written, great attention to detail, and a high school diploma or equivalent, which would be a GED. I did some digging around to see how much they pay, and this position pays up to $22.93 an hour. And the third position is with a company called EK Health, and they're looking for an index intake coordinator for the utilization review, and it's remote. The index intake coordinator is aligned with data entry, so that's why I'm reviewing this position. Let's scroll down. This is full time. The index intake coordinator is responsible for pre-opening and preparing electronic medical case files for healthcare professionals. The indexing portion is comprised of scanning, indexing, categorizing, and uploading medical records and files to the corresponding utilization review or medical case management case. So, as you see, it's aligned with data entry. It's a lot of data entry. It's non-exempt, 8 hours a day, Monday through Friday, remote, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. The responsibilities may include, but are not limited to, scanning and uploading, separating and sorting, processing referrals, collecting medical files, heavy data entry, promptly answering incoming calls, and assist callers with proper telephone etiquette, professional interaction with nurses, response to routine inquiries or complaints from customers and the public, refers to non-routine, sensitive, and complex requests for information and other inquiries or complaints to appropriate staff. Process utilization review referrals, intake and data referrals. This position pays between $16 to $17 an hour based on your experience, education, and location. It has benefits. Here are all of the items that they offer. The requirements is a high school diploma or GED, professional demeanor, strong organization skills, must be computer literate, and basic medical terminology.